Hi guys, welcome back. September 4th today. We're visiting our sell position on the New Zealand US dollar that we hold for a few days now. The reason is quite simple. There was some very important development over yesterday, and I think it's definitely worth mentioning. I actually took some action. So at the moment we register about 40 pip of profit. That's not a big profit, right? But take a look at what's happening right now as we speak. And also, of course, yesterday, right on that bottom key level, 65.94. And usually that's not a very good sign, right? Because it's obvious that price was trying to break through yesterday and failed. But also, if you take a look closely at that black system, that very local movement that we have here, three legs, right? So it's kind of, it could be expected actually to have the fourth leg and even the fifth, and only then we'll probably, we can have that downside break or maybe even an upside break. But right now, as long as we're, price was engaged against that 65.94 and just proved to, to fail on the breakthrough. So I've decided to close half of the position, right? So I took profit. It's not a big profit, but I decided to decrease the position at that particular point because that's a risky point. So I'm willing to wait out another upside leg. At the end of the day, it's quite a narrow range, right? So I'm willing to wait out in case we're gonna have that upside leg, and once we hit that upper section, I'm gonna hit that short button again and increase the position, right? Re-increase the position. Obviously, there's another scenario where price will not reverse here for another upside leg, but rather break that 65.94 straight up, right? Just continue on the downside move, break that level. That's going to be basically even better, right? That's going to be better because as it does that and, close the daily bar below 65.41 here, that's going to be our cue to re-increase the position again. Now, let me remind you what we're dealing here with. So I have to take you to the bigger picture, which is the weekly chart, and you see that yellow marking that I have here. This is the most important element in this whole technical picture, if you ask me, is the fact that we are breaking out. This is a very important moment. We're breaking out of the blue system, and that blue system was a huge one, right? You can track it back all the way to 2016. So indeed, it is a huge trading range, both in time and price and amplitude. Now, you remember I was saying for quite some time that this trading range is way overdue and is about to explode. I think that's exactly what's going on. The fact that price came back, I'm talking about 2-3 weeks ago, price came back just to touch base on that same level it broke, 67.14, right? Which is why I placed that, yellow marking. That to me suggests that price is indeed broke that setup, that blue setup, and is heading downwards. Now, in terms of potential, just let me refresh your memory. 63.60, which is my price target, is the most important 161.8 Fibonacci projection level. So we're going to try to chase price all the way there, although I believe the potential is far greater than that, but we will probably be satisfied with that level. So we'll see how it goes. In the meantime, I'm leaving the stop loss level intact until price can prove to break that 65.94 I was mentioning before, right? Once it does that, we will adjust the stop loss level accordingly, at the moment at 68. Alright, that's about that. New Zealand US dollar, still bearish outlook. I wish you all good luck. See you in the next video.